Now, in this case, this will look a little bit different than yours because, like I said, I did a temporary upgrade in this car. So this is actually an HK speaker and an HK tweeter. You will not have a tweeter in this case with the hi-fi. So I'm going to take this out. You can see the shape. So there's a bell on this tweeter, so it's pointed outwards. So I'll take this out, but you normally won't have that. So just take out your mid, install the filter, install the mid, install your new tweeter that's going to go into this place, and then you should be good to go. All right, so you can see the new mid and tweeter in. Super easy install. This is that one tweeter that doesn't have the foam around the outside and the plugs are on the bottom. So plug that all in with the filter and you're good to go. You put the cover back on by just pressing those fingers back down into place. And now we're going to do the driver's side subwoofer that's underneath the seat. All right, so the seat is run all the way back right now. You can see exposed the front T50 bolts. There's one here, one on the track on the other side, and of course, matching in the rear. You can turn your ignition on and run your seat forward and back. To get to the back side, just run the seat all the way forward and I can get to it really, really easily. And I also do not unplug the seat. So once I have those bolts out, I just tip the entire seat back to get to the cover right here. And with the X1, you could almost get to it, but you wouldn't be able to get the speaker out. You wouldn't be able to get the sub out, even if you could get the cover off, leaving the seat in place. Okay, so go ahead and take all 4 of these out. And then I just tip the seat back. Do not unplug it so you don't get an airbag warning, okay? All right, now that you got those 4 T20s out, you can take the cover off. You can see that your sub is exposed. And you're gonna wanna start peeling this carpet back because we're gonna need to peel it back far enough to get underneath. And that's just the trim popping up right here. What's that sound? Because there is the plug right here for the sub itself. And then there are T20s that hold it down in all the corners.